Привіт, I'm Chuck Olenek, a Ukrainian-American baptized with the name Yaroslav. Today is December 26th, 2025. That makes it year 4, day 306 of the war in Ukraine, or another way of looking at it, day 1402. And I've been collecting photographs and artwork and all sorts of stuff that I find, coming out from the war in Ukraine, and I put them together in video form to just in an effort to preserve them, also in an effort to raise awareness of what's going on. Well, I just saw something where it's basically the New York Times summing up the war in 17 photographs, so I thought I'd share it. Until the next time, Slava Ukraini!